Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Current Trends, and it's me Shruti over here. Today I am going to show you how to grow your nails super fast. You can see the results on my nails. I have tried this DIY on my nails and I have found my nails grown super fast and even so strong, as you can see. So let's get started into the video. The ingredients you require are lemon juice, almond oil, garlic cloves, olive oil, and vitamin E capsules. I require only 2 vitamin E capsules, or instead you can use vitamin E oil and a clean container to store this mixture. Take a clean bowl, add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and 1 spoon of almond oil, and mix this mixture very well. Lemon contains vitamin C and it ensures the nail growth, and it also makes your nails stronger and whiter, and it also acts as a nail growth booster. Almond oil makes your nails smoother, shinier, and it also softens the cuticle and ensures the nail growth. Now keep this mixture in a hot water to warm it up and keep it aside to cool. Take the garlic loose and grind it well. Now for this grinded garlic, take olive oil, take a spoon of olive oil and add to the grinded garlic and mix it well. Add vitamin E capsule, I'm adding 2 vitamin E capsule, and mix all the ingredients very well. Now add the earlierly made almond oil and lemon juice to this mixture. Take a clean container and transfer the mixture. After 2 to 3 hours, now for the application purpose, take the garlic cloves and gently massage to the cuticle of your nails. You can gently rub the garlic at the tip, side and the cuticle of your nails. Apply the mixture well and gently massage. We have used the garlic. Garlic contains selenium mineral which helps in the nail growth, and garlic is a good antioxidant. I have preferred olive oil instead of coconut oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use coconut oil even. Olive oil contains vitamin E and it ensures the nail growth. It deeply penetrates into the cuticle of your nails and ensures the nail growth. And I have used vitamin E. Vitamin E is a magical ingredient for nail and hair growth, and it also helps to reduce the nail growth disorders such as brittleness and yellowish of your nails. And you have to apply this mixture for 1 week and you can see the visible results. As you can see mine, it may vary from person to person. You may find the result about for 4 to 5 days or in a week, or I also take about 10 days. So have patience and do it regularly before going to apply this mixture 2 to 3 hours before going to bed, and keep it overnight so that your nails your cuticle get absorb all these ingredients very well and ensures the nail growth. And that's it for today's video. If you like my video, then please do subscribe for my channel and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. If you have any doubts and if you have any suggestion, please do comment on the comment section and I would love to reply all your comments. And thank you. That's it for this video. I will see you soon. Bye bye.